This is Tecno Pop 2 Power. It was released in 2019 with a battery of 4000 million amperes. So let us review it to see whether it's worth buying in 2020.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Gigahertz, a screen resolution of 960 times 480. Then it has also the rear camera, which is 8 megapixel, and the front camera of 5 megapixel. So if you are someone who's much into the photography, sure, it will not help you a lot, but it can take usual photos. But if you want the HD, it will not help you. Then another cool feature of this phone is the battery, which was given. It has inbuilt battery, which is 4000 million amperes. It can take you in about 10 hours in a single day. So if you're someone who is not much into the game, this RAM can also take you. 2G, doesn't have 4G. Then again, another thing which I didn't like about it is the speaker which was put behind. Whenever you're playing music and you press it on the table will kill the sound, to reduce the sound due to the table touching on the speaker. Yeah, so those are some of the stuff which are not cool about it. Then it supports 2 SIM cards. It's a dual SIM. Supports SIM 1 and SIM 2. So that is a Tecno Pop 2 Power. The only cool thing is only the battery and the storage, but also the RAM is not good. 1GB RAM is not good. Android also nowadays it's not good, doesn't support some features of apps. The camera is not good. So if you just want a phone which will take you for the whole day without charging, you can choose this one. But if you need a device which you need to use while shooting videos, taking photos, this one will not help you for sure. Yeah, you need to choose another device. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.